Now we're going to break down some essential terminology used in Amazon advertising. By understanding these terms, you'll be better equipped to navigate the advertising platform, make informed decisions, and optimize your campaigns for success. So let's jump right in and get started with these key terms. First up, we have ad placement. This is where your ad appears on Amazon. Ads can appear on search results pages, on product detail pages, or other places depending on the type of ad campaign. ACoS stands for Advertising Cost of Sales, and this is a metric that is used to measure performance, efficiency, and profitability of ad campaigns. You can work out the ACoS by dividing the total ad spend by total sales, and then timesing by 100. So for example, if you spent $1.20 on ads, you would divide that by the list price of your book, which would be $6.99. Then you would times it by 100, and this would equal 17%. Now, this is one of the most important metrics that we will use in advertising, but I will explain more about ACoS as we go through the course, and also how to calculate your break-even ACoS for each book. A bid is the amount that an advertiser is willing to pay for each click. On Amazon, sellers can choose between automatic or manual bidding. Budget. This is the maximum amount of money that can be spent on a campaign. If you set a daily budget at $10, this means that you will not spend any more than $10 for the selected day. Now, that isn't quite accurate because say you set a daily budget of $10, sometimes you may go over that budget just a little bit. So you could see a daily spend of $10.90. This is because Amazon calculates it over the entire month. That means that if your daily budget was $10 and the month had 30 days in it, you wouldn't spend over $300. However, some days you can go just a little bit over, but there will be other days where you'll go under. So that's just a heads up, just in case that happens to you one day. Campaign is when you are advertising a single product or a group of products. Next, we have clicks, and that is the number of times that your ad was clicked or pressed if you're on mobile, and you will be charged for clicks. CTR is the click-through rate, and that is the percentage of ad impressions that are clicked compared to the entire number of clicks. CPC stands for cost per click. The conversion rate can be defined by its equation, ratio of clicks to conversions. Impressions is the amount of times that your ad was displayed to a shopper. So if your ad was displayed on a screen that a customer was looking at, on mobile or desktop or whatever, that is an impression. If they can see your ad on their screen, that is an impression. We don't pay for impressions, we only pay for clicks. Now, more impressions means more visibility, but it does not guarantee more clicks or sales. Target. This is the specific keyword, product, or category you want your ad to appear for. In Amazon advertising, you can target your ads based on shoppers' search terms or the products they view. All right, there we have it. We've just broken down the basic terminology of Amazon advertising, taking out some of the fancy jargon and making it simple. I know some of this stuff is boring, but it's important that we learn all of these little details.